Being accountable means owning our action, whether they lead to success or failure. For example, a business leader who takes responsibility for a mistake and works to correct it, build trust and credibility within the organization.
Ethical responsibility involves making decisions that are not just legally sound but morally right. For example, companies choosing sustainable practices or individuals standing up for fairness in difficult situations reflect ethical responsibility.
Every decision we make with consequence, whether it's personal or personal thinking, responsibility means understanding this outcome, managing them. Example, making a well-considered decision in a team environment can foster collaboration, while neglecting responsibility can lead to misunderstanding and conflict.
Created using Powtoon.